Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Electon TV. For today's troubleshooting video guys, it's about main engine turbocharger exhaust temperature open loop. This guys, turbocharger number 1. We have only 8 cylinder. Cylinder 1, turbocharger 2, and turbocharger 1 exhaust. You see, the turbocharger 2 have 136 degrees Celsius, and the turbocharger 1 that's have a problem or trouble. Open loop, we have a reading of 950 plus degrees Celsius. It's a very high because we have a trouble. Open loop. And that's the trouble that we need to fix. Okay, but before I start guys, if you are new in my YouTube channel, it was pleasure to me guys if you subscribe and like my video. Okay, thank you guys. I put the reset. You cannot reset. Lamp test. All the lights working. Okay, open loop. Now the main engine, it's not running. Engine speed indicator. Okay, that's the alarm monitor. Main engine RPM, pitch or pitch profile. Okay, that's the final drawing guys for ECR console. That's the manual or the drawing. Let's check here the connection for the exhaust temperature sensor. Okay, here guys the connection. Base here in the drawing, we have before turbocharger, this main engine terminal box, X2 number 26 negative and 25 positive, and the other one is after turbocharger exhaust temperature, and then this one cylinder. We have only 7 cylinder, so if you see the connection guys of the thermocouple is like shorted or closed loop, and the X7 is the terminal on the console, and this one is in the terminal box on the engine side. Okay, this thing that we need to check and find out where is that. Maybe the problem is the thermocouple is defective, or we have a cable break, that's why they give alarm open loop, or we have a disconnected wire for this terminal or loose. Exhaust gas monitoring plant. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, we are here in the engine room. It's our main engine. Let's go down. And this yellow, guys, is the shop generator. It was my first time to on board in that kind of ship that have a shop generator. And this one is a gearbox. Our second engineer and the wiper. This is the terminal box or engine side terminal box that we see in the manual. You see how X2 need to open later. And that's the turbocharger, guys, here. And I don't know where is the location exactly for the exhaust or turbocharger temperature sensor. I'm not sure if that one, maybe this one is for speed or turbocharger RPM. We have also there. Okay. And now, guys, I already opened the terminal box. You need to find the X2 terminal, and it's here. You see the X2. Okay. And based on the drawing or the manual that we check, number 25 and 26 of terminal X2. So here, guys, the 25 and 26 and 19 and 20. So this is the 25 and 26. Okay. For the before turbocharger exhaust temperature, and 19 and 20 is the after. Let's check the numbering. And this wire is going to the ECR console or for monitoring. You know, guys, let's check the continuity of the number 19 and 20 and number 25 and 26, and let's find out where is the problem. Twenty-five, 26, so that's the wire going to the thermocouple. I check the 19 and 20 first. Just continuity testing, guys. You see my multimeter gives 41.8 ohm, and I think this is good. It's the thermocouple is good. now let's try to check the cylinder number 1 exhaust temperature thermocouple. It's good. It's 19 ohm. I just try to confirm because here is almost 40 ohm, but I think it's good. 42 for number 19 and 20. For number 25 and 26, this one, so based on the manual, is the before turbocharger. Okay, open, so therefore the problem is here. The before exhaust thermocouple is the problem. You see in my multimeter is open line, OL. Okay, let's check where is the location of this thermocouple. Okay, now guys, I disconnect the connection for thermocouple, and I use this my tone tracer to find out where is the thermocouple sensor, and I found the label, guys. We have here turbocharger, and that's the thermocouple going inside here. And we have a connector here. This connection is going to the terminal box. I use this just to trace the connection of the wire. It's a good tester. Tone tracer. You see the red light gives signal. Okay, so 100%. That's the wire that we need to check. I disconnect, guys, and I check here if the thermocouple is okay or open. We have a 4 wire, and mostly in my experience sometimes is always 2 wire, positive and negative, and the output of the thermocouple, guys, if you watch my previous video, is a millivolts. That's why I have positive and negative terminal. Now, guys, I test the thermocouple where is the positive and negative. And based here in my testing, we have A, B, C, D. A and B is the positive and negative, also the D and C. Therefore, we have 2 sets of thermocouple in that terminal. A and B and D and C. Okay, we have 4 wire, A and B and C and D. Look, guys, A and B is the positive and negative. We have a continuity when I test, and the C and D also. And now, guys, next I need to check the continuity of here to here in this terminal. So I short the connection here. So this wire is going to the male connector. I shorted, and let's check where is the wire. Here we have also the letter A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and after I test, guys, I found out the connection was wrong, because here going to the terminal box is A and D. A and D. It's not A and B. Therefore, it was wrong. Maybe who make the connection here made a mistake. That's why did not connect properly and made the problem and give signal open loop. Okay, and what I'm going to do is interchange the wire. You need to put in correct. Better I made a correction here. I put the connection of A and D, because here is A and B. Now guys, I already interchanged the connection, or I already put in a correct position. Okay, so now I put here A and D, not A and B. Okay, and now guys, I already put back. And let's check if we have a continuity or have a resistance value at least. Now we have 4.3 ohms, and I think it's good now. .2, okay. And let's go to check if in the monitor have a temperature signal or value. Okay, now here let's check. This is the ECR console. We have exhaust temp alarm, monitor failure. And now guys, you see we have 47 degrees Celsius reading. Last time we checked is 900, but still we have open loop, so I try to reset. Okay, I reset already. Now the open loop is gone, and we have value now is 47 degrees Celsius for turbocharger number 2, 52, cylinder 1 and 2 and 3, 50 something. And I think the problem is solved, guys. The long time problem now is okay. And the alarm for monitoring failure is gone also. Problem solved, guys. But let's check also if okay when the main engine is running. And now guys, the main engine is running. You see, engine RPM 500 plus. Okay, here engine speed indicator 500, turbocharger speed indicator, air pressure, and main engine fuel rack indicator. So the main engine is running. Let's check the value of the temperature of exhaust turbocharger that we fix. Cylinder 6, 5, 4, 3, 326, cylinder 2, 312, cylinder 1, turbocharger 2, and turbocharger 1. We have 381. Okay. And then I asked a second engineer. He was said that it was okay because he was said is in the turbocharger number 1 is normal, is little bit higher than the other. And that's it, guys. Problem solved. The problem only was the connection. Someone made it wrong. But now I fix. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned again something in this video. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.